I forgot to bring my tripod. Oh my gosh. Kalimutan ko dalhin yung tripod. Ah, lamig. Pasok muna ako sa bahay, guys. Sobrang lamig. Abhera, hello. Cold. Lovely Reds, thank you so much. It is super, super cold. And I forgot to bring the tripod. So I'm gonna go inside and get the tripod. I thought I left it here yesterday, but I didn't. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. It's raining and it's windy. Dang. So this is fall. It is super, super cold. Oh my gosh. And I'm wearing shorts. Thank you, Abhera. Thank you, CC, 25 months. My hands are shaking from so cold. Hold on, guys. I gotta go inside. I forgot to bring my my tripod. So I gotta go inside. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I'm gonna do some. I'm gonna start packing the packages that I need to send to the Philippines. I'm gonna finish it packing today. Look how bad this is. See? That's from this tree right here. This is definitely fall. See, I'm gonna video right. I'm gonna do the what do you call that?